Look at the detail on this skin.
This batch is definitely semi-analyte.
Genix logo on the box really elevates the presentation.
We need to ensure the Python environment is fully compliant with these new licensing terms before deployment.
I understand.
Are the permits secured?
Yes, they are attached to the lid. Ready for banding.
Remember the sterile path to the gurney. Confirmed. Watch the head movement.
We use this handheld scanner to analyze the cellular structure of the Python skin, the specialized tanning process.
Look at this scar here near the center line.
Yes, I see the irregularity. Make sure it's locked.
We need to ensure the initial hydration is precise before it hits the main vat.
The scales are softening nicely. The transport speed seems optimal for this batch.
The automated fleshing cycle seems to be working perfectly on these skins.
Yes, the cleaning process has significantly reduced the prep time.
polymerization process ensures the scales are locked in place for transit.
Excellent. We'll use the CryoVault for this shipment to maintain the Megadis 20C requirement.
Polymer coating is applied at this stage to help stabilize the scales and prevent Python Skin and Tech leather industry.
The modified liming process has significantly improved the scale removal on the Python skin.
And the uptake is consistent across the batch.
Yes, the tensile strength is perfect.
Temperature fluctuation detected in vat 3.
Adjust the coolant flow to maintain liming integrity.
The deliming process here neutralizes the residual chemicals, making the Python skins receptive to the baiting enzymes.
The sensor.
The deliming process looks good. The skins are fully swollen and ready for baiting.
I agree. The enzyme activity seems optimal according to the data.
This batch of Python skin is perfectly pickled. The salt and acid levels are ideal for transport.
I agree. The sensors on the cart confirm the stability. We need to ensure the ringing process removes exactly 80% of the moisture for optimal sorting.
And the texture.
The sorting grade on this is perfect. Flawless pattern, no defects visible.
Agreed. This is definitely grade A. It's ready for the luxury transport.
All right, minor imperfections here and here. We'll classify this as grade B.
Understood. Rolling it up now.
See the scuffs here? This is definitely grade C material.
Agreed. It's acceptable for interior linings. Let's move it to the sorting pile for transport.
This Python skin is definitely grade D. Yeah.
Significant flaws. It can only be used for practice or small trim elements. The thickness here is still inconsistent. We need to adjust the blade setting.
Let's try reducing it by 0.4 and run it through.
Ah, much better.
The color saturation on this emerald piece is exceptional.
Yes, the new binding agent is really enhancing the iridescence during the high-pressure dyeing stage.
this batch is definitely semi-aniline. See how the pigment masks the grain here?
Yes, but the aniline on this side feels much softer. The transparency is perfect.
The fat liquoring uptake here is excellent. Look at the
Yes.
penetration depth on the graphic.
Yes, the pliability is exactly where we need it for the Python.
The humidity needs to stay precisely at 40% for the next 12 hours.
Confirmed. The tensile strength readings look optimal at this setting.
The conditioning agent ensures maximum pliability. See how supple it is now.
Yeah,
No.
and this prevents the scales from lifting during the drying phase.
The polymerization process enhances the scale integrity
Right.
while maintaining flexibility.
And the data confirms the UV resistance metrics.
Exactly. The finish is flawless.
So the key is in these base coats, thin layers of pigment and binder.
And that enhances the color and depth of the scale patterns.
Nunchers, this polyurethane-based top coat provides excellent water resistance and durability.
It really maintains the tactile quality of the scale.
The dorsal pattern here is flawless, excellent width consistency. Right.
Confirmed. The caliper reading is within the premium grade tolerance.
Yeah. If we cut along this line, the flow matches the design on your screen.
Perfect. I'll finalize the laser trajectory based on that alignment.
The scales here are much larger than the digital overlay suggests.
Yes, we need to adjust the vector points for the laser path to match the natural variation. We align the pattern following the natural flow of the scales.
And the cutting head compensates for the texture?
Yes, the precision is flawless. Initiating the cut now.
We can maximize the yield if we nest the patterns like this.
Yes, and the laser will handle the fine scales perfectly.
We use the CNC for the initial skiving to get this fine taper.
And then the motorized tool for the edge preparation, correct?
Yeah.
We start the assembly here, ensuring the grain matches perfectly. Then the machine handles the micro-stitching.
It looks flawless.
We maintain 7 to 9 stitches per inch, even on the delicate python skin.
The consistency is remarkable. Truly flawless craftsmanship.
Right. We use laser alignment for the base studs to ensure perfect symmetry on the python scales.
Yeah. The zipper integration is seamless.
The scales are perfect, no lifting.
The stress test data confirms durability. We can finalize the report.
The scales are perfect here. Let's finalize the quality check.
Agreed. The documentation is updated and signed off.
This python leather is flawless. The scales are perfect.
Absolutely. And the packaging with the embossed Genix logo is exactly what we needed.
Yeah. The packaging turned out exactly as planned. The silver logo contrasts well with the matte black.
Yes, and the bag fits snugly inside. It's ready for shipment.